Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool instrument right here, and basically what these are some dental floss picks. And you can see the one that we got right here is from this brand, and here's basically what the package looks like when you guys first get it. So for the one that I got right here, it comes in a pack of 4 of them, but they're all basically the same thing. Each one of the bags have 75 picks inside. So whether if you guys get a bigger pack or smaller pack, it doesn't matter. If you guys get the same exact one, this one, it basically works the same way. And it also tells you guys the flavor that they have on here. I believe they do have this available in other flavor as well, but this is the one that I got right here. So I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so once you guys open up, this actually looks like inside. So they probably got 4 bags inside, but they're all the same like I mentioned. So I'm actually take out one of them to show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so once you guys take it out, here is basically what the bag looks like. So you see right here, they mentioned how there's 75 of them. And if you guys turn to the back, they probably got instruction to teach you guys how to use it. It's really cool how they actually have this zipper design on here, or the sealing option. So that way when you guys are not using it, you can zip it back up. And what's really cool about using one of these compared to regular flossers is the fact that you guys don't need to use like 2 hands to floss your teeth. This one, all you need to do is just hold the handle and just use it for each different section of your teeth, which makes your life a lot more convenient. But let's open this up and show you guys what the inside looks like, and also show you guys how it works. Alright, so once you guys open up, that's what it looks like inside. So you see there's a bunch of them inside and they're all the same. So I'm gonna take out one of them to show you guys how it works. Alright, so once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So you basically have this part right here for you guys to use. And they have this very nice little handle for you guys to grip it really easily. And literally the moment once I open the bag and smell the flavor inside, it definitely smells very fresh. It has this very strong mint flavor, mint scent that actually smells really good. So the way how you guys use it is actually very simple. Just go like this. You basically want to do the same thing for all your teeth. And then once you guys are done, you can just toss it away. So instead for the product, it's actually very simple and very easy for you guys to use it. And that way you guys don't have to worry about getting your hands dirty compared to a regular flosser when you guys have to actually use both hands to do it. This one you just have to hold right here, floss it, and your hand will be clean. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys want to get a better hand-free experience when you guys are flossing your teeth. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.